Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're making the ultimate showstopper, the most decadent upside-down pineapple cheesecake ever. Imagine a buttery graham cracker crust filled with rich cheesecake, topped with caramelized pineapple rings and bright red cherries. It's like a tropical vacation on a plate, sweet, tangy, and creamy all at once, and you're about to make it from scratch. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this baking adventure. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. Gathering everything before you start is the secret to a smooth, stress-free baking experience. Here's what you'll need for each layer. Let's break it down so you're fully prepared from start to finish. For the pineapple topping, you'll need half a cup of unsalted butter, melted until silky and smooth. Add 1 cup packed light brown sugar for that irresistible caramelized sweetness. Grab 1 can, 20 ounces, of pineapple rings, drained with the juice reserved for later, and 8-10 maraschino cherries for that classic pop of color and flavor. For the crust, measure out 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. This combo gives you a perfectly sweet, crunchy base. Mix in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted, to bring the crust together. For the cheesecake filling, you'll need 4 packages, 8 ounces each, of full-fat cream cheese at room temperature, plus 1¼ cups granulated sugar for that creamy, tangy sweetness. Crack 4 large eggs, also at room temperature, to help everything blend smoothly. Add 1 cup of sour cream at room temperature for extra richness and a velvety texture. Don't forget 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract for that warm, inviting aroma. And finally, 2 tablespoons of the reserved pineapple juice to tie all the flavors together. That's it. Simple, classic ingredients that come together for a truly show-stopping dessert everyone will love. Make sure everything is at room temperature. This little step makes a huge difference in achieving the creamiest, smoothest cheesecake texture. Having everything prepped and measured out ahead of time makes baking a total breeze and keeps your kitchen organized. There will be no last-minute scrambling, just smooth, fun baking from start to finish, so you can enjoy the process as much as the results. Grab your shopping list, jot down these essentials, and let's get started on this delicious adventure. With these ingredients on hand, you're all set for a journey to cheesecake heaven. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Ready? Let's move on to the first delicious layer and start building your masterpiece. This is your golden ticket to dessert paradise. Each bite will be pure bliss. Double-check your pantry and fridge to ensure you haven't missed a thing. Once you've got everything, you're ready to bake and create something truly special. Let's make this masterpiece together. Baking is always more fun when shared. On to the pineapple topping. Let's make this cheesecake unforgettable. Let's start with the show-stopping pineapple topping, the part of the cake that always steals the spotlight and makes every slice irresistible. Grab a 9-inch springform pan and pour in the melted butter, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly for a rich, buttery base. Sprinkle brown sugar evenly over the butter, then gently press it down with a spoon to form a smooth, even layer that will melt into a delicious caramel. Arrange the pineapple rings on top. Place one right in the center, then fan the rest around it in a beautiful circle, making sure every bite will have that sweet, tangy flavor. Place a bright maraschino cherry in the center of each ring for that classic, retro look, and a pop of color that makes the cake so inviting. As the cake bakes, this layer bubbles and caramelizes, transforming into a gooey, golden crown that's both beautiful and delicious. Wrap the outside of your pan with heavy-duty foil. This is a crucial step to prevent any leaks and keep your oven clean. The foil acts as a barrier, keeping water out during baking and locking in all that buttery, sugary goodness so nothing escapes. Set the pan aside for now. Your pineapple topping is ready and waiting to become the star of your cake. This is the magic that will wow everyone when you flip the cake over and reveal that glistening caramelized pineapple topping. Simple, beautiful, and bursting with tropical flavor, this topping is what makes pineapple upside-down cake so special. The hardest part? Resisting the urge to sneak a pineapple ring before the cake is even baked. With the topping done and looking perfect, we're ready to move on to the crust and build the next delicious layer. Let's keep the momentum going and dive right into the next step of our cake adventure. Onto the next layer. Let's make this cake unforgettable. Get ready because it's time to dive into that delicious crust. In a bowl, mix graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter until the mixture is like wet sand. Sprinkle the mixture over the pineapple layer in your pan. Gently press it down with a flat-bottomed cup, making an even layer and pressing slightly up the sides. Don't press too hard. Keep the pineapple pattern intact. Bake the crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes. This step sets the crust and adds a toasty flavor. Let it cool on a wire rack while you prep the filling. The base is ready, crunchy, golden, and perfect. Smell that? That's the scent of deliciousness in progress. Now, let's make the creamy filling. Now for the heart of our dessert, the cheesecake filling. Beat softened cream cheese until smooth. Gradually add sugar, mixing until fully combined. Add eggs one at a time, mixing gently after each. Blend in sour cream, vanilla, and pineapple juice just until smooth. Don't overmix. Scrape the bowl and fold the batter to ensure it's lump-free. The result? Silky, dreamy cheesecake batter. This is what makes every bite melt in your mouth. The filling is ready to pour. Let's assemble our masterpiece. It's time to unite all our efforts and make magic happen. Pour the cheesecake filling over the cooled crust and pineapple topping. Spread it evenly to the edges. Admire your work, layers of flavor, ready to bake. Place the foil-wrapped pan in a large roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, halfway up the sides of the springform pan. This water bath keeps the cheesecake creamy and prevents cracks. Carefully transfer the setup to the oven. The steam will work its magic for a perfect texture. You're almost there. Just a little patience left. The hardest part is waiting, but it's worth it. This step is the secret to a bakery-quality cheesecake. Ready to bake? Let's do it. Into the oven it goes. Bake your cheesecake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 60 to 70 minutes. Don't open the oven. Let the steam do its job. Check at the 60-minute mark. The edges should be set, and the center should jiggle slightly. If it's still liquid in the center, bake a bit longer, checking every 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's just set, turn off the oven and prop the door open. Let the cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour. This prevents cracks. Gradual cooling is key for a smooth, creamy texture. Resist the urge to rush. Patience pays off. After an hour, remove from the oven. You're so close to dessert bliss. Let's finish strong. Let the cheesecake cool to room temperature. Then chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Overnight is best. This sets the texture and melds the flavors. When ready, run a knife around the edge to loosen. Place a platter on top, then flip the cheesecake over confidently. Remove the pan. Reveal that stunning pineapple topping. Slice with a hot, clean knife for perfect pieces. Serve as is, or add whipped cream, or toasted coconut for extra flair. Every slice is a work of art. Take a moment to admire your creation. You did it. Now, it's time to enjoy. Let's dig in. Congratulations! You made the most decadent upside-down pineapple cheesecake. Every layer, caramelized pineapple, crunchy crust, creamy filling, crafted by you. This dessert is meant to be shared and celebrated. Gather your friends, family, or just a fork. You've earned it. Snap a photo and share your masterpiece with us on social media. You can even share in the comments below. We love seeing your creations. If you loved this recipe, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures. Remember to turn on notifications for more fun in the kitchen. Remember to savor every bite. You baked happiness. Thanks for watching and joining us today. As always, keep baking with joy. Enjoy every crumb. You deserve it. Until our next adventure, happy baking.